All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. Got Wendy the Wizard is mixing magical potions. A green potion requires 14 frog skins. Okay. A red potion requires 51 frog skins. Great. Looking over inventory, Wendy sees that she is currently in possession of 729 frog skins. That's a lot of frog skin. I don't even have one. Okay, so it says, please write an inequality that tells the story. Oh, okay, so this is just a translation. We're not solving anything. We're just kind of translating this story in English into an efficient language of math. Okay, so breaking this down, we could I like to kind of tell the story first, and let's think about this. Okay, so over here, this is like what we have, and that's frog skins. So these are the frog skins we have, and we know how many we have. We have 729. And then when you think about it, to make the potions, there's something that you need, right? These are what we need. So now we can think about what we need, okay? So the green potion takes 14 frog skins, okay? So that's 14 frog skins. And about how many potions? Well, we don't know how many potions, and that's okay. So we'll just write G for the green potions. But there's another potion that we're making, or another type of potion, I should say. And that's the red potion. And that one takes 51 frog skins, okay? So that's 51. But again, we don't know how many red potions. So that R can just represent the number of red potions. And so this is where we got to be careful and clever and really think this through. It says write an inequality, and so the inequality options we have are less than, greater than, less than and equal to, or greater than and equal to. Those are our choices. Okay. Now think about this. Can what you need be bigger than what you have, right? Like if it said that I need 70 frog skins and I only had 50, would it work? No, it wouldn't work. So when you need something, what you need, it can't be bigger than what you have, because then it just won't work, right? So what I need can never be greater than or greater than equal to what I have. What I need could definitely be smaller, right? If I only want to make one of each potion, I would only need 65, and that's okay because I got 729. So what I need can totally be smaller. And hypothetically, if I want to be very exacting with my frog skins, I could actually, what I need could actually be directly equal to what I have. And if that was the case, then we would use everything. But that's okay. No one said we couldn't. So this is it. This is our translation. 14G plus 51R can be less than or equal to 729. There you go. Good job. As always, subscribe below if you want to be notified when more fantastically, magically amazing problems come your way. And if you have any questions or comments or you don't quite understand what happened here, just leave a comment below and I'll try to answer your question and get you where you need to be to understand how to solve these every time. Okay, thank you. Bye.